Hey guys, Project Void here. This is actually my second attempt at recording this. I recorded a whole video and went over everything and come to find out my mic was muted. Great stuff. Anyway, so it's already installed, but if you can't tell by the title of this video, we're actually going over how to install Beta 2. Granted, it's for any beta, but in our case, it's Beta version 2 for V7 for txAdmin. A little disclaimer, obviously, if you didn't hear me the first time, my mic was muted the first time, so it's already installed, but I'll do my best. I'll walk through everything like that. This attempt will just be shorter because everything's already installed and everything, sadly, but it's actually pretty simple to do it. So first thing you want to do is actually shut off your server. And if you're on Windows like I am, just do what I did. Come down to your taskbar and click the right X. Another reason you could do it is via the task manager too. So next thing you want to do is open up Chrome. And then we want to do github.com/tabara/txadmin/releases. And then if you don't come to here, basically you just want to click on releases. Basically if it takes you to here or whatever, and you click on releases, it's just going to show the latest one. So just click on releases. And then scroll down and download monitor.zip. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download again, but while that's downloading for you, I'm going to go over some features and all that stuff. You can now, apparently V2 has improved HTTP caching. It has perm check for service status buttons for the panel. Another thing for the panel, it has global hotkey for player list filter, which we actually go over here in a bit. And then for resources, it's checking for origins for the NUI callbacks and all that. They fixed the bugs where you would sometimes fail or it won't let you load, etc. for your CFix login. Bunch of small day one changes, admin manager, recursive iframe, and folder case fixes. Some things, I think what he means by chores, I could be wrong obviously, but chores, what he needs to do is update the workspace packages, update rook packages, and version bump. So they made a few commits and all that stuff. Basically a new terminal structure, which we'll go over, a bunch of small changes which we can't really tell, but you know, we'll do our best to find them. They've showed some stuff in their server and all that stuff, but they added a partial terminal sheet plus moved some files around. They redid the module for the panel, like auto size apparently. Oh, interesting. They made a tweak which the kick all now requires control let server perm. So basically you need like start stop server to use the kick all. They implemented whatever basics xterm JS with canvases. They added a scroll to the bottom button. They added a search bar so you can search like players and all that stuff. Made some small changes. They added a hotkey, which I believe Control K is our hotkey currently to go right to the members, or sorry, the members list. They got the socket IO connection. They got open web links, custom TX markers, plus dedicated CRV command buffers. Bunch of small changes again. And again, small changes. So that's all that they have. So what you guys want to do, with your server turned off, if you haven't done that already, you want to go to your artifacts folder. You want to go to citizen, system resources, and monitor. Obviously what I have in here right now is the beta, so I'm just going to do Control A, Control X, which is just cutting it. And then I'm just going to paste it over here as if I'm going to download it for you guys. So, but what you guys would do would be Control A and then delete. I don't know why I said it like that, but delete it. And then you just want to take your new stuff, move it over like so. Obviously yours is in a zip file, so you wouldn't do what I just did, but once you do that, you can actually head back over to your folder and start your server. So once you start your server, you'll see actually here at the, if it lets me, at the way top that it's a pre-release version and all of this stuff. Forgot to tell you, It's the same with like any other betas. It expires in 21 days. So not entirely sure why they have it like that, but they do for some reason. I've never understood why. But to save you guys time, I'm just going to log in via the localhost. As you can tell, their logo up here actually changed. It's a different logo now. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Obviously, I would log in with my suffix. It might help if I could spell. Hang on. I have it backwards. So we'll log in here. Yeah, I'm not sure why it doesn't just redirect you, but just click on Return to Dashboard. So by default, you'll see Dashboard, Live Console, Old Live Console, Resources, Server Log, CFG Editor. One thing I forgot to mention, they kept the old one just in case something breaks on the new one. So, obviously we're all used to this old one. You know, everyone's used to that. Here's the new one. It's bigger. It has different ones, so like I can clear the console. I can search for stuff in my console. I can download the console. Not sure why you would, but you know, you can download it. And then you can type your commands and stuff here. If I do Control K on the keyboard, it actually brings me over here so I can search for players. I don't have any online right now, so yeah. But everything else is the same. That's actually highlights in different colors and all that stuff. I might be in the next update, I'm not sure, but I did see a preview of when this is started. It actually has like a green glow around it, if that makes like any sense at all. But and then you know your different system settings, all that stuff is up here. So personally, in my personal opinion, and I want to hear you guys' opinion too, so don't be afraid to leave them down in the comments below, but I actually like it. I honest to God do. But that's honestly how you add it. It's very simple to do. I highly recommend it if you guys like doing what you need to do and all that stuff. But without further ado, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Yeah, like I said earlier, I want to hear what your guys' opinions are, okay? So don't be afraid to tell us what your opinions are in the comments below, you know. Some people might agree, some people might not agree, you know, you never know. But enough of me rambling. I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you guys have a great night. I'll catch you later. Peace.